guys, today I have got another recipe for you, something dead, quick and easy. I'm going to make a cod and chorizo stew. I will show you all the ingredients in a second. Really quick and easy dish to make. It'll take maybe, including prep time, 20-30 minutes. If that, you'll need one pan, obviously cod, chorizo, onions, tomatoes and some beans. Okay, so let's crack on with it then. Right, what do we need? Well, first of all, cod, or you can use haddock as well. A couple of pieces of that. Chorizo, I'd have bought a normal one, not that lazy that I don't chop it up myself, but that's all they had. Butterbeans, passata, a little bit of spice. You can use paprika, it's just all I've got to hand. Salt and pepper, and a couple of shallots. You could use like an onion, and you obviously also need a pan as well. So I'm going to get them prepped, although there's not much to do apart from chop an onion. Yeah, let's crack on. Right, onions chopped. Got some oil. Just going to pop some of that in there, just a bit. That might be a bit much, but it'll be sound. Okay, just leave that for a second. Get rid of that, just need this to heat up. Once that's heated up, I'm going to pop those onions in there, put them on for about 5 minutes, 3-5 minutes. Then add your chorizo, and just, you want to sort of coat the oil from the chorizo around the onions. Is that hot enough for you? Yeah, be right. Probably just turn it down a bit. Put the onions in that. Right, here we go. That's it. Leave them sizzling for a bit. Right, we've added that chorizo in. Everything's sizzling away nicely. Really hard for me to steer the left-handed camera, but you get the idea. Okay, we're just going to leave that in there for a couple of minutes. And I'm going to pop the tomato in with the butter beans, and I think I've got haddock fillets, so yeah, I can pop them in. That's coming along nicely. Next part, just adding your tomatoes. I'm using Passata, but you couldn't use tin tomatoes. You want to put a bit of water in there as well, so what I would do is probably fill that up about halfway with water and get that poured in as well. Okay, give it a bit more like fluid moisture, whatever you want to call it. I have put some of my Cajun spice in there. You can see the tomatoes being added. Put some water in. I'm just going to give that a stir. And all we need to do now is just heat this nice and gently, let it come to boil, and then we'll pop the cod fillets in, or haddock, I've got haddock, and those butter beans. Then you just need to leave it to simmer for about 10 minutes, and then it's done. And then that is the finished product. Okay, you got your cod or haddock fillet, beans and your tomatoes, and I'll just put a little bit of parsley on top just to finish off. And that's it. It's simple. Macros and ingredients will be on the video. Give it a try. 20 minutes tops. Let me know what you think.
Okay guys, another really simple and easy to follow recipe from Phil there. So you've got cod and chorizo stew, really simple. So once you've got all the ingredients in the pan, once the tomatoes are in, literally it was just a case of chucking in the cod and the butter beans and letting it simmer, and you saw the end result. So for that portion you saw there, let me put up the macros and the figures to my left. So you can see there's about 481 calories, 42 grams of protein, 36 grams of carbs and 17 grams of fat. So that's just for the bowl of food you saw there. You could then decide to add in maybe half a packet of microwave rice, which would add between 150 and 200 calories onto that, and that would make a really hearty meal. So yeah, brilliant, and probably very, very quick to prepare. So yeah, there we go, another lovely recipe. Next video from me, I think I'm going to arrange another workout related one. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it yet, but as always, any suggestions, please pop them below in the comments box. We'd love to know what you want to see, rather than us rattling out what we think you want to see. And I hope you're enjoying them all up to now. Remember to go back and watch some more of the videos. We've been churning them out pretty much once a day. So there's plenty to go back and watch. And remember to like this one and subscribe if you're not already, which I'm sure you are. And again, thanks guys. Thanks very much for all your comments, for all your likes, and for everything. Thank you.